There are two ways to launch a lesson with your class in Nearpod. The first is a live lesson. Live lessons are teacher-paced. When you click on a live lesson, Nearpod generates a code that your students can use to join. Once your students enter the code on either nearpod.com or in the app, they're connected and ready for a lesson. There are many ways to share lesson codes with your students: via email, social media, web links, your learning management system like Google Classroom, Schoology, or Seesaw, or you could send the code through Remind. Or you could simply write the code on your whiteboard. The second way to launch a Nearpod lesson is the student-paced mode. Student-paced lessons in Nearpod, when you click on them, you also generate a code for students to join with. But now they have the freedom to navigate the lesson at their own pace. For both types of lessons, you can still collect student responses in the Reports tab of your teacher account. That's it for now. If you run into any trouble, don't forget to contact your building coach for support. I hope this was helpful.